Amendments to SOLAS Convention. Amendment to SOLAS Chapter 5, Regulation 31 and Regulation 32. As per Resolution, MSC.550/108. Applicable to existing ship and new ship. All ship type. All size. Complaints date, 1 January 2026. Reporting of containers lost at sea. MSC 108 adopted amendments to SOLAS Regulations 531.2 and 532.3 to create a mandatory reporting procedure for lost containers at sea, effective January 1, 2026. These changes will require ships to report the loss or sighting of containers to improve safety and facilitate tracking and recovery efforts. SOLAS Chapter 5 Regulation 31 Danger Messages. New Regulation 531.2 specifies the role and responsibility of concerned parties, i.e. master, shipping company, and flag administrations, in case of losing on-board containers or observing lost containers at sea, and new Regulation 532.3 scopes the information to be reported. Regulation V. 31 Danger Messages. The master of every ship involved in the loss of containers shall report the incident without delay to ships in the vicinity, to the nearest coastal state and the flag state. If the ship is abandoned or unable to report, the company, as defined in SOLAS IX 1.2, shall assume the reporting obligations. The flag state, once informed, shall report the incident to the IMO via GISIS, Global Integrated Shipping Information System. The master of every ship observing drifting containers is required to report the incident as well to the ships in the vicinity, to the nearest coastal state and the flag state. SOLAS Chapter 5 Regulation 32 Information required in danger messages. For container losses, the report shall include a. Type of report: loss of freight containers from a ship. b. Ship's identity, IMO number, name, call sign, MMSI, time, UTC, and position of the incident, actual, estimated or discovered. C. Number or estimated number of containers lost. D. Whether dangerous goods are involved, including UN number, if known. E. Description of containers, e.g. size, type, whether empty. F. Any additional relevant information such as cargo spill, weather, sea state and estimated drift. A follow-up report shall be sent once the number of lost containers is verified, clearly marked as final. For observations of drifting containers, similar information shall be reported, but in this instance as type of report, observation of freight containers drifting at CMARPOL Protocol 1 Article 5 adopted via Resolution MEPC.384/81. The following amendment aligns MARPOL with SOLAS. A new paragraph requires that reports of container loss must be made in accordance with SOLAS Regulations 531 and 532. Below action should be taken by ship owners, ship operators, and ship masters. Safety Management Systems, SMS, should be updated to reflect new reporting obligations. Ensure bridge teams are trained in the new SOLAS 5, Regulation 31, Danger Messages, and 5, Regulation 32, Information Required in Danger Messages, Procedures. Review and test communication protocols with flag states and coastal authorities. Implement systems to log and verify container loss data for accurate reporting.